We believe that space is tomorrow's biggest luxury. We all want generous living spaces which are open plan and generous in general. But the reality is our spaces are getting smaller and smaller. Particularly in urban environments, prices go up, spaces get smaller. So how do we deal with it? How can you make space while living in the same square footage? How we achieved it is that we used the system of Geberit to put the tap smartly into the wall, to put the mirror cabinet into the wall, and particularly to put the whole drain into the wall system. That created a sink which is only 400 millimeter deep. 400 millimeter is 80 millimeter less than any standard sink. It doesn't sound much, but it's the difference of a sink which goes out this much compared to here. It's a difference to a door opening easily or not. It's the difference of having a space which just looks a little bit more generous because you have this little extra width, but you have some depth minimal.